tell me where you're calling from and I guess a little bit about your background in terms of like before Blue Edge, what was your trading experience and what were you struggling with previously?
So I have been with Blue Edge 3 years, but before that, I haven't been trading very actively. I was kind of trying and learning, but I wasn't very active in terms of forex. Before the Blue Edge, I mainly was trading crypto and equities, but it was rather the long-term trading, but not like daily trading.
Okay, so previously trading crypto and equities, I mean, how was that going?
I still have portfolio of equities. It is not a big one. I gain profit. In terms of crypto, I'm also quite successful I would say, because well, on my day-to-day basis I actually work with crypto companies with that industry. What actually made me be more active with Blue Edge, it was actually the possibility to create the income flow from this activity. So this was the main reason why I started doing this forex with Blue Edge.
So it sounds like you were more of like a buy and hold investor with stocks and crypto, and then
Exactly.
you saw this as an opportunity to earn more active income. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay. And so when you first came in, you didn't have much day trading experience, correct? It was just, do I have it right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And then, so when you first, I mean, saw us, what were you skeptical about? I know there's a lot of guys saying, hey, you know, you could make money online or make money trading. So what were you skeptical about with us? And then what made you eventually decide to overcome that and give it a try?
Well, first of all, when I started with Blue Edge, I wasn't taking challenges actively. I was taking challenges time by time, but it wasn't like on a constant basis. I was quite skeptical because I wasn't successful at that time, but now I understand why I wasn't successful, because I wasn't taking challenges on a constant basis and I wasn't taking enough of challenges. What made me actually to go all in into Blue Edge was actually I was I have my business and getting consultancy business. This year, actually, the revenues from my business diminished, so I had to find another revenue flow, basically to pay for my monthly expenses. In May, I would say, I decided to go all in, and basically I would say in 6 months, I managed to get around 800,000 worth of funded accounts. So, and once I started seeing a good result, I understood that before that I didn't really invest enough time into Blue Edge, and that's why I didn't get the results I wanted. And once I decided to go all in, because actually life circumstances made me do it, so when I did that, I actually started seeing good results, and in December I achieved 1 million in total funded account.
Awesome. That's great. So you call initially, but it was kind of out of necessity that you dove. Was there anything else that you feel to, you know, dive in and do this?
I saw the results of other Blue Edge members, and I thought that if other people can do it, I can do it also. So yeah, that's why, and also due to the reason I named, I decided to go all in, and I'm really happy with my results, and I'm really happy with the service of Blue Edge.
And so I guess, right, because it's tough, right? Your business and you're needing to do something else, and now you've gone in, you got up to $1 million. How do you feel now about?
Well, now obviously I have my is to get 1 million in inactive funded accounts, I mean. And I'm sure I will achieve that aim because based on my funded rate, I know how many challenges I have to take to achieve that. And I'm sure it's only the question of when 1 million of funded accounts. Well, I feel optimistic, but obviously I don't want to stop. I want to achieve better results. I think I'm at this point because I currently manage around, I think, 400 worth of, and also around 7 or 8 active challenges. So I'm actually looking at the way how I can the management of my accounts, because it takes quite a lot of time right now. Yeah, and obviously, go forward, scale, get funded, get payouts. That's the plan.
Yeah, I love it. I don't know if you've seen the client area. We have a training about how to hire a virtual assistant. You've seen that?
Yeah. I actually watched that video several times. So yeah,
Okay.
That's my plan.
Yeah. And obviously we have our virtual prop farming service available too, if you want us to just do it and have somebody vetted and trained as well. But if you want to just do it yourself, then everything that I do is there for you too.
Thank you.
So yeah, that sounds like you're right on track for your goal there with 2025. Anything special or in particular that you're doing, or you just?
Well, actually, I think one of the reasons why I was quite successful in 2024 is like the way I choose the strategies, because I like developed certain skills on like how to choose the strategies, because I was really tracking how the strategies performed on the live market recently, and I was selecting strategies based on that, and I think I achieved quite good results because my funded rate on two-phase challenges is like around 31%, and in terms of one-phase challenges, I think it's quite good. Yeah, so obviously I want to continue to develop my skills in terms of understanding how to improve my funded rate, to how to achieve better results, how to scale. I always learn the material about all of the knowledge base, everything what is posted on Discord. So I think, I will invest my time into this, and I'm sure that I will achieve my goals.
I guess would you recommend Blue Edge Financial, and if so, who would you recommend it to?
Well, I definitely recommend Blue Edge to the people. First of all, for the people who wants to get additional revenue source, but also for the people which are willing to take risk and take action, because I understood that it is really important to be consistent with taking calculated risk and to actually invest time. So once you invest time and you put a lot of efforts, you will definitely get results, because I know it based on my experience.